Hey there, how's it going? So, the directions ask us to write this particular expression as separate logs. So, if you remember the rules of logarithms, right, there are some properties that allow us to separate logs and to put them back together again. Cool? Okay, so this particular case, I have log base 7 of x to the power of 5. Now, the base is x. The base for the log is 7. They're not inverses of each other first and foremost, so let's make certain we understand that. They are not inverses of each other, so they're not going to cancel each other out. But I am noticing on the x, there's a power of 5. Now, according to one of the rules, it allows me to take the power of 5 and bring it down before the log. So, if you remember your order of operations, below exponents comes multiplication. Well, this takes a step down, so I'm allowed to bring the 5 in front of log, and the exponent operation, so to speak, downgrades to a multiplication problem. And so now I have 5 times a log base 7 of x. Cool? Okay. So, there are some examples coming your way. Make sure you work on them before you look at my answer key video. I also suggest that you have those rules in front of you or those properties about splitting logs apart and putting them back together, because that will also help. Okay, have fun. Catch you on the flip side.